Want to show multiple clips in one music video but don't know how to split the screen properly? In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to create a split-screen music video that looks clean and professional. Step 1. Add and prepare video clips first. Add all your videos to the timeline on separate tracks. Now trim each clip and make sure all videos have the same duration. Reduce the opacity of the top two tracks so you can clearly see the video positions underneath. Reposition the clips to the correct places on the screen. Once everything looks good, set the opacity back to 100%. Step 2. Apply split mask to the first video. Now select the top track video. Open the Mask tab and click on Add Mask. Choose the split mask. Use the rotate icon to adjust the mask angle. Drag the mask to place it exactly where you want on the screen. Step 3. Apply split mask to the second video. Next, select the second track video. Again, click on Add Mask and choose the split mask. Adjust the mask rotation using the rotate icon. Drag the mask to position it in the desired area. Now play the video and see your split-screen music video in action. That's it. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more easy editing tips.